To Fontanilla, Collado, Fontanilla. He goes to the screen, will attack. Pinabitin, left-handed shot. Oh! Nilipat. Drives to the way. Bang! Bullseye! Basket in. Here's Collado. He bump. He tries. Yes, sir! Collado! Sa wing side. He's spinning. Create space. Fires off the window. Bakit? And we are here at Pinoy Super League. Game between Pangasinan versus and sa gitna. And the pass to the wing side. Bounce pass. And will drive. Lace off the window. First blood. And the pass. Stop. Wing side for 3. Bang! 3-point! Anilya. Sa gitna. Ito na ang Team Pangasinan drives to the hoops. Short. Nakuha ng Team Batangas 3 laban sa 1. To the hoops of the gas. Yes, sir! Fontanilla dribbling the ball at the top right now. Sa gitna. Bounce pass inside the lace of the window. Yes, sir! Ito sa gitna. Stop for 3. Bang! 3-point! Ito ng Team Pangasinan. Batangas. Holds the ball. Oop, naagawan. Ito ng Team Pangasinan. Fontanilla, the lace of the window. Yes, sir! And he crosses over. Drives through the way. Bang! Bullseye! Basket and 1. And for the inbound, Bautista now looking for the receiver. Bounce pass to Fontanilla. Fontanilla at the corner. He attacks, he bumps, he spins, fires off the window. Ang gandang ikot nun. And here's Team Batangas. He spins pass. And now in hurry, he drives, he kicks out. Goes inside, kicks it out. Sa gitna, lace. Oh, libre si Reyes. And Bautista inbounding to Fontanilla. Collado, Fontanilla. He goes to the screen. Will attack. Pinabitin. Left-handed shot. Oh! Nilipat sa kabila. Yung guardia, lumawa na. 2 laban sa 1. The pass. The fires of the window. Bagay for 2. And between the legs. And the pass. Great space. Kicks out. Fakes. Floater shot. Negid. And the pass for Team Batangas. Mutuano. Lodovais di diskarte. Ipinasa sa wing side. Spinning. Create space. Fires off the window. Bakit? Here's Team Batangas. And goes to the screen. And the pass. Fires. Deep 3. Won't go. Rebound dito para sa number 1 Gabo sa gitna. Mactalio screen open, fire sa 3. Bang! Mactalio once again. Seconds on the game clock for the first quarter. Goes to the screen. No look pass inside. Oh, no short. Wala pa rin. Fires, wala pa rin. Ang alat naman. And here's number 20, stops. And ball is stolen. And he picks, he fires. Yes, sir! Kabulak. And now inbounding is Gabo. Sa gitna, Mactalio, open look, fires at 3. Nagid, rebound, Mabulak. Ang lakas mo! Power na power, Mabulak. And bounce pass, Mactalio. Bounce pass, corner. Inside pass. Naagawan. And here comes Team Batangas. And stop sa gitna. Hinaikot sa 3. Bang! Dani! Gabo. Behind the back. Gabo bounce pass. Inside cross pass. Mactalio open far sa 3. Negid. Nakagaw ni Mactalio. Ang gandang pasan. Kitang-kita yung open ni Mactalio. And here's Gabo. Stop, pull up jet the free throw area. Bullseye, Gabo. Anas coming in for Team Pangasinan. Pull up jumper, not good. Rebound dito para sa Team Pangasinan. And the stop. Ito si Taganas. And the pass. And corner 3. Bang! 3 points! And the pass to the middle, Reyes. He stops, launches on 3. Bang! Danets! Oy! And here's for 3, Napoles. Bang! 3 points, Napoles. And goes to the wing side. Picks. He fires. Bucket for 2. Melencio, the pass. Tolentino, Melencio. Taganas. The pass to Robin. Napoles. Open. Melencio. Bang! 3 points. Melencio. Vice. Stops. Pass sa 3. Bang! 3 points. And at the top. He kicks out. Picks. 1 bounce and fire. La Flores. Nagid. Taganas. The rebound. Melencio. He crossed the mid lane. And bump. Melencio corner pass for 3. Bang! 3 points. Robin. Now. And here's Robin. He spins. Pass to Melencio. Melencio goes out. Taking it easy. He goes to the wings. And he crosses over. He attacks to the baseline. He lays. Won't go. Taganas the rebound. And a put back shot. Oh! Whoa! First break. That's the end of the. And here's Team Rafloras. Pass Terso sa gitna. Lodivice. Stolen by Collado. The pass. Fontanilla. Binitbit. The easy. Oh! No easy basket. Put back shot. Melencio. And here you go. Terso kicks out. Open fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Lavlor. And here's Raflores. Sa gitna. Terso, bounce pass. Ludevice sa 3. Not good. Rebound and a put back by Reyes. Bucket for 2. Reyes. Here's Collado. He bump. He tries. Yes sir. Collado. Flores. Flores sa gitna. Attacks. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Bang! Ludilabay na. Fontanilla. And stop, pull up J. Bullseye. And Terso. Terso, pass to Reyes. Reyes. Raflores. Raflores. For 3. In and out. Fontanilla. The pass. Bautista. Inside pass. Picks. Anadid fires. Bucket. Fontanilla. And here's number 11. Pass. Low device for 3. Short. Bautista. And Danolo pass inside. Libre. Makabulak. And here you go. Terso. Terso. High pass corner. Natapikan. Is stolen by Mabulak. Pass break. And here's lays up, easy to Bautista. And here you go. Attacks for Team Pangasinan. He fires. Nagid. Natic Longa. Ipinasa. Stops. Picks. Libre. Wala. And fires. Bucket. Now inbounding. And the pass. Baltasar. And nag-agawan, stolen, pass break. And drives, Mabulak, Lish, yes sir. And stop sa gitna, Mutuano. Goes to the screen, baseline. Fires off the window, yes sir. Mactalio crosses over. Floater shot of the glass. Not good. Rebound. And the pass. Mactalio. And Mactalio bounce pass. Pick and roll. Mabulak will finish. Here you go. Dribbling the ball. Goes to the screen. He bump. He fires. Not good. And drives to the hoops. Court to court. Wala pa rin. Kicks out. Gabo. Goes to the middle. Kicks out. Another extra plus further. Yes, sir. Looking at the clock. And the pass. Drives to the hoops. At the buzzer. And here you go. Mactalio. Bounce pass. Kicks out. Mactalio launches on 3. Bang! Mactalio 3! And stops. Baltasar. Behind the back dribble. Kicks out. And fires at 3. Nagid. Mactalio again. Sa gitna. Mabulak will finish. Pass by Mactalio. And here comes Mutuano. The pass. Sa gitna. And pull-up jumper. Mutuano. Bullseye. Mutuano. The bounce pass. Mactalio. Pass it back. Gabo. Mactalio fix. Drives. Oh, lays up. Scoop layup. No good. And is Ludovice. Kicks out. And the pass. Ludovice. Screen by Mutuano. Ludovice. Kicks out. Open. Fix. Inside pass na. Libre. Fix. Reverse layup. Yes, sir. Talio. Creating space. Pass to the middle. Here's Mactalio to the middle. And drives. Eto na. Do hook shot. Yes, sir. Here's Team Batangas. Far shot deep 3. Bang! 3 points. Now at the top. He stops for 3. Short. Ludovice, the long pass. Sakto yung pass. Alice. Yes, sir. Baltasar. Ludovice. Against Taganas. Far shot 3. Bang! Over Taganas. Ludovice. Oles to Robin. Robin pass to Taganas. Taganas will pass to Melencio. Melencio pull up jumper. Bullseye. Melencio. And the pass sa gitna for 3. Ra Flores. Short. Melencio. Drives. Goes inside. Stolen. Ludovice. High lace. Yes, sir. Melencio to Taganas. Taganas. Robin. Robin. Attacks. Left-handed hook. Yes, sir. Top shot. Pass. And attacks. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Bang! 3 points. Napoles. Pinasag. Melencio sa gitna. Pull-up jumper. Filter area. Bucket for 2. Hook pass sa gitna. Pull up jumper long to Bullseye. Ra Flores. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points. And congratulations. Pangasinan. Nandip.